Hey y'all, it's Chelsea. Today I'm going to show you how to make an open house flyer for co-branding with your realtor partner in 15 minutes or less. And you use it, you can make one through Mona, but I actually prefer PrintPub for this because I'll go ahead and show you. If you look on the ones on Mona, they don't actually have a spot for your information on here. It just has a spot for the realtor's picture and information. So I prefer the one on PrintPub, which is through Jungo, and that allows you to put your information and the realtor's information. So I'll go ahead and show you. Obviously, just go ahead and log in. I'm under Sean's account because he has more privileges than me. And just go into this tab right here called PrintPub. Click on that. And then you can scroll through to see there's so many different really beautiful designs in here. But I believe let me get down here, open house flyers. And you can look through here and see which one is kind of matches your taste. I prefer this one. I think this one's really nice, so I'm going to use that. So just click open. And it's really easy, guys. It is actually, you just take the information from a listing that your realtor has and you just enter it in here. So whatever time, obviously, you can start up here and it says open house. And say we're going to do Saturday, next upcoming Saturday, we'll do Saturday, July 6th. So next Saturday. And 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then you can get out of there. So what I'm also going to show you guys how to do is since April Harrington and Preston are really close realtor and business partners, then I'm going to use her as an example in this listing that she had. I was just looking at this earlier. So let's see if I can get out back to the main menu here for this house right here. So I'm just going to be pulling information off of this listing. So you can just ask your realtor like what house they need an open house for, and we can get most of the information off of there just by copy and pasting it. But what I encourage you to do also is ask them for their headshot for any disclaimers from their company that you have to have, and also any disclaimers that have to be displayed along with their logo, because some companies, like even we, have to have a disclaimer on everything if we're doing co-branding to say that we're not associated with their company, just in case, obviously just to protect ourselves. So just keep that in mind. So anyways, so I'm just going to copy and paste the information from this link right here on Zillow. It would be even better if you can get the ad from the listing from RealTracks, because it's probably a little more accurate. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to kind of go back and forth here. Okay. So just give me a minute while I copy and paste all this information. This is all you're going to be doing, is going back and forth and copy and pasting information. I think it was 684. Was it 900? Let's see. Yep, there it is. Okay, and I should have went ahead and looked at this. 4-bed, 3-bath, 2610. Three-bath, 10 square feet. See how easy this is, guys? And then you can obviously, like, it has like some features right here. And so you'll pick out whatever like your favorite features about the house, maybe some things that the realtor highlights in their summary, and then just add that in there. So I'll just honestly delete what's in that description right there. Whatever they have listed, obviously it's going to be different. And I just take whatever your realtor has written or put in here. I just copy it. It will allow me to do that. And I just paste it into this realtor and into this property description. And I'll go ahead as I'm going through here and list this stuff. April Harrington. Okay. I'm just going to pause this while I fill out the rest of her information, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like and how to add the pictures. Okay, y'all, so I have entered all the information over here from the listing that April had put online. And also, a very important part that you got to remember too is if you do any kind of co-branding, you have to have a disclaimer saying that we are not associated with that company. And so I will send you guys this disclaimer right here, and you will just need to replace right here. Whatever their company name is, just make sure you replace that. Just delete this out, whatever their company name is, and then copy, select that, right click, copy, and then go back over to your listing over here, or your flyer, and then just left and right click again, and then go down to paste, and it'll put it right in there. So anyways, just keep that in mind. That disclaimer does have to be on everything. So anyways, you see all the information entered, but you do not see the picture yet because I have not included those. So you'll go down here. And so for the main picture, I'm going to choose this beautiful picture that they have. And let's see. I have folders for each of you. So I have this under Preston's folder. And see all these pictures I went ahead and got for the listing. Here's one right here with this beautiful sunset. I'm going to see if this fits in there well. What that looks like. Okay, see, and then you can go up and see where the picture is put in there each time. So here's the first one. I'm just going to add these other pictures right here to continue to do the same thing. I love this one of this deck view. Is so pretty. Here we go. And you might ask your realtor what's their favorite pictures because some of them will have like multiple pictures on there. So maybe just ask them what their preference is to put on their open house flyer, and then just go from there. So I've added all the pictures in here, and as you can see, it looks really great. Like I said, these are really nice open house flyers, and it literally takes 15 minutes or less to do them. And you'll see here where, I added their pictures mixed up, so I can go ahead and show you guys how I did that. Let's see here. So let's go in here to choose file, and then I'll grab April's picture and put it in the listing agent. And then the loan officer one, I will go and grab Preston's picture. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that, obviously. There's Preston's old picture, Preston's new picture. Here we go. All right, now it's got them in the right place. Right, and see, it'll have all y'all's information right here. And it looks like I did Preston's name on two separate ones, Preston Heiss, and then loan officer title. So we'll put mortgage loan officer. That was my fault. Here we go. And for you guys too, we'll probably have to do like the NMLS number on here. Here we go. So I'll get that added. Okay, so we have everybody's information entered. I corrected Preston's name in the correct field with his NMLS number, and I put mortgage loan officer for the title. As you can see, everybody else's information is in here correctly. So yep, this is how it looks. And then all you have to do after that is you can come down here and you can save it. So like if you ever want to come back and do another one, you could kind of use this as your template. Like if you were doing the same realtor and obviously you as the loan officer, all your information's entered, and you would just change out the pictures and the information. So you could do that. So I'm just going to put July 6th open house. So we'll just do that. Okay, the save successful. And then I want to create a PDF. So you just click that button and it says download PDF. We're going to see what this looks like and how it's going to print off. So look at this. These just look so nice, and they're just so easy, and it's something, this is a service we can offer our realtors. So you can go ahead and make a mock one of these up for like a realtor that you might be meeting with and say, hey, like we offer to be able to make some open house flyers that we can co-brand together. I can help you with that. And they look really nice. So if you're interested, like this is what it would look like, and go ahead, maybe take on one of their listings online and go ahead and pre-fill it out for them to show them that's something that we offer. So anyways, and then obviously if you want to print it from your house, you can do that. I'm pretty sure you can like right click on here probably and print. Or like I said, if you want to save this, then you can just right click and then save this as a PDF in whatever folder. We'll just save it to the desktop here. I'll save it in Preston's folder just in case. This is actually one of April's listings I found online from her website. So I'm going to save it right here and just put June 6th open house flyer PDF. And then if your realtor rather print it off, you can go ahead and just email that to them, or you can print it off yourself and just bring them to the open house and be there with them to kind of like I guess be there as a point of contact for just to kind of meet and greet maybe some of the people and maybe help get them pre-qualified to get a loan. So anyways, right there is how you use PrintPub on Jungo. And like I said, it's a wonderful resource. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. But it is as simple as that. 15 minutes or less, you'll have your open house flyer. And it's another way to pull in more realtor partnerships and opportunity for you to co-brand and get your name out there. So if you guys have any questions, give me a holler. I'd be happy to help you. But there it is. All right. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day and a great 4th of July.